Alright guys, so this is a rope. This is how you kill a goat. So what kind of tie that you make?
Slip knot.
Slip knot it.
And a buffer tie.
And a buffer tie, and you put it around him foot.
Alright, watch this now. Why? Make me move. A video, you should have called Jay to come video.
Yeah.
So like this now.
This is what you do, guys, to ensure that you skin him real good.
I just to say, some people really burn, you know. See it? Sharp knife you have, you know. Like knife down here.
Knife off sharp, guys. You hear that? The knife off really sharp. So this is what you do. So that I'm seed bag. You're going to skin all of that. So this is a simple video just showing you how to kill a goat and skin a goat.
If you like Jay.
So I can show you the heap of blood down there.
Yeah man.
His neck burst and he's got him
like
for a breath. On him tail, guys, a wiggle. That's the dead. He's wiggling. So I eat this, guys. Goat fat.
General.
Real local mutton this.
No man, hybrid mutton this one.
Hybrid local mutton. Skinning process, goat. Not your man belly, bang it full. Not your man.
That man, I give them a look back feet no one then, you see me?
Alright now guys, so the belly I got drop out here now.
Alright, this I give you this seat, huh? See it? It's a pee bag.
Oh, people bag that guy. And you bust the belly.
Yeah, no.
That's the pee bag.
So we do now for
So I do the bag now,
so
guys.
we do now for make it do now splash out video. You do so now and send it back down. Eat and that. Eat and that and send it down back. So you make sure see.
So that I will I'm intestine now and drop out.
You left the kidney so you can see it.
Kidney tripe, everything, guys.
So anytime you sell a goat, the meat, the best way that when you see inspector have to come test the meat, I kidney test, you know. They must stamp it.
So that tells you the goat is good. You hear that, guys? Once the goat kidney tested and it is good, that means the goat meat is good.
Liver, kidney, everything. Just like you say this, if you get gunshot and this you get shot, you don't know, so you're gone.
Liver look clean and nice.
Yeah man. This a goat, a good goat man, time I get the man and I give him water and everything.
Alright, now so that are the light. You have the liver, you have the light. So you see the light, it have a different color, guys.
Light.
So that are the light.
See heart, yeah.
That are the heart.
Wild pipe.
Whoa. A learning morning this. We learn all heap of things about a goat, how to kill and skin a goat.
Hold on. You're not afraid of it. You know. See, it's like 2 kidney. This is 2 balls. So
Pengelengeleng.
this is fat now. If you want to cut off them here off of him.
This is what you do to the goat head.
Scrape the goat head.
Burn it so you can get to scrape it. And this make nice manish water, no so man?
Yeah man. Straight manish water when you're done. You have good thing when we have.
Foot them a go on, you know. Yeah man, and this is how we do it down in Jamaica, yeah. When you kill a ramming goat. Go take a head of scrape, you know.
Already they need to we know it down there now. Because you know say from a food place they now go lock down that is a large place to lock down. After when you
Guys, when you burn the foot, you have to remove the huff of the foot when you burn it. Remove those parts. Yeah. And this is how you remove the huff. You just turn it. Goat seed I go roast you now. Dash on little salt and little pepper on it. So a little black pepper this now I dash out on the thing you know. And then I go a fire go roast. Now Friday yeah.
So you know you have a roast breadfruit. Just so.
Fire them a boy ya go you know. Roast. So all who never eat the goat seed. And the goat seed that the kidney and the seed were roast people. It a scrape you know guys, it's well hot in here so your man have to use piece of paper. Piece of cardboard. So these are the goat kidney peeps, the goat kidney ready. So we are bust it in two, you know. Can bust in a tree. Alright, we are going for the seed bag. We don't want to bust no more, you good man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, a country thing man, I seed bag this now peeps.
Oh yeah. Alright, this are the goat seed. You cut him up
Roast
now.
and we are going to eat him you know. And you don't know him salt and pepper yeah. Him already.
Now make a boy come thief him out of a pen. I thief him myself. Billy. So you go Billy. All your seed, your pengeleng, everything gone.
I eat that now.
Yeah, Jeff.
Wow.
Now turn it. Turn the tripe. Turn it on the other side now if you clean it properly. So you do like this. It here now. Alright, this is it now. You turn in the tripe, the goat tripe, we boil the manish water. So see it here. You saw this side have a different color from here. So watch now, see it here. So watch now, we do this. And dry it back. Half of the stick on the other side, sorry. See it here, see that? So you turn down and run down. So you do it now. Wash it off properly. Wash it off properly. Then put it in a different water. Now.
Plotting of the tribe, guys. Plotting of the tribe. This is how you plot the tribe.
Going up there, so everything is digesting
system. So this is the cleaning up of the goat ma, guys. All of the grass when him eat, I eat that, you know. Look there. Be grass.
But on dodo.
Mm.
I see that him.
So this is the man, guys. This is where you clean it up. You know, clean them out real good.
This is the goat tripe.
Tripe,
You
this
clean
guys.
this first. Then now, the dodo are inside the tripe now. You're going to do this now. You're going to just do this now.
Get a nice little piece of stick, clean too.
Clean piece of stick and share it.
That means enough you have no edges.
Yeah,
Right
no
up.
dodo, no left back inside the tripe. The goat tripe where you're going to eat. So you do this, so you call this, you're going to turn it. Turn it up, do it like this. Go get a better piece of stick. See it here now. Might a little tricky if it come off. So see it here now. This is it. So you turn it right over back, so you stretch right out.
Whoa.
And when you wash it like this, wash it off like this.
Clean.
So to make it smaller, to cut up before you even scald it, you see it, have it in two, and you just go like this.
Where do that now? Platty.
Yeah. You just twist it, see there? Just like that.
Whoa. That's the goat tribe.
Tribe.
This call of the tribe live on the light. So them these guys pan the coal, pan the wood fire. Goat I go chop up here now, guys. Goat meat a bust up.
Come back here. Go and take you up. How that looks, sir?